the students of Bangladesh is that they are very slow with their speaking, and this is where Alpha technology is going to help you a lot.
Today I'm very happy because one of our foreigner team, they come to English Fantasy for visiting and they want to see our system. How do we teach English language in English Fantasy? Sir, what do you think about the system of learning English language?
Well, we are very impressed, the way you have set up the residential teaching system. That's quite unique and we never heard about it, honestly speaking. So to learn English, you guys are here, staying and working hard. So good luck, and obviously we are going to be providing you the technology and the engines that you need to improve your English in the form of Alpha IELTS and Alpha PTE. So many congratulations to you guys. Work hard and work on your English, and if you do so, you'll definitely achieve the goals that you have for yourself.
This system, how much will help us? Could you tell us something?
Well, the most important thing that I noticed with the students of Bangladesh is that they are very slow with their speaking, because obviously they don't have the partner to practice, and this is where Alpha technology is going to help you a lot. On our system we've got AI avatar that's going to ask you the questions and make you feel very engaged and do speaking sessions in an interactive manner. So we've got mock tests, we've got practice questions, 10,000 of them, and 50 full mock tests for you to practice and be ready for the real exam.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you very much.